Front hook. Ankle hook. Knee hook. From here, you can do the carousel. Just switch and wrap.
Minus 40% is 160.
I just want to take care of my grandma, maybe go shopping every once in a while.
When I was a kid, I always wanted to work with animals. I was close.
Shake a little ass, you get a little bag.
These Wall Street guys, you see what they did to this country? They stole from everybody. Hardworking people lost everything. And not one of these douchebags went to jail.
The game is rigged, and it does not reward people who play by the rules.
It's like robbing a bank, except you get the keys. Are you in?
I gotta fly, I need a jet. Shit, I need room for my legs.
These are my coworkers.
Jobs, please.
What if somebody calls the cops?
And says what?
I spent $5,000 at a strip club, send help.
Damn,
We're a family now.
damn,
A family with money.
damn.
And when would you say that things got out of control?
Looking past the mirror. Ooh, damn, I'm fine.
Please help! This is my husband!
Feel like a honey bun, feel like a Tommy gun. Roll your wooden one, come get your mommy some. Hey, I like my niggas birth like dude. Say he gonna eat this up like soup.
So the guy went back 3 more times.
Guess he must have liked it.
Boom, hammer time. I was born to flex. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets. I like more than sex. But nothing in this world. And I like more than jets.
We didn't do anything wrong. You know, Tony wouldn't let this happen. I'm gonna text him.
Who gave her phone back?